Hariom to all, good morning. Today we will learn about physical properties of metal and non-metal. Properties of metal and non-metal. Here, first physical state. Physical state. Metal exists in solid state. Generally exist in solid state except mercury. Mercury is in liquid state, which is used in thermometer to measure the temperature. Second, conductivity. Metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. Conductor of heat and electricity. Best conductor metal is silver. After then copper and then gold. And the poorest conductor metal is Pb, lead. These are the poorest conductor. Third, malleability. Metals are malleable. Malleable means metal can be beaten into thin sheet. Suppose that these are the metal and it is hammer beaten, then it is beaten, then convert into thin sheet. These are metal and convert into thin sheet. This property is called malleability. Metal can be beaten into thin sheet, that is called malleable, and this property is called malleability. Second, ductility. Metal, these are the metal, and when it is drawn, then you will get wire, metal wire. Metal wire. This property is called ductility. Metal can be drawn into thin wire, that is called ductile, and this property is called ductility. Gold is the most ductile element. Fifth property, luster. Luster means shiny. Metal is shiny. It has a bright color, brightness produced in the luster. Metal is luster, shiny. Sixth, that is hardness. Property is hardness. All metals generally are hard, but some metal such as sodium, potassium, soft. These are the soft metal. It can be cut by the knife also. Seventh property is that is melting and boiling point. melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point of metal is high. High melting and boiling point. है ना? But cesium, Cs and gallium, Cs, cesium and gallium has a low melting point. Has a low melting point. It melt on the body temperature. When you kept cesium and gallium on the hand, then it start to melt. So you also remember it that the melting point of cesium and gallium is low. Next property is density. Density means the mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is called density, and melting density of the metal is high. High density. Next is tensile strength. Tensile strength. Metal has high tensile strength. Due to this high tensile strength means ability to carry load. Metal has ability to carry load, due to which these properties iron is used to make the building, used in building, to make the bridge, railway track, this due to these properties. And last sonorous 10 sonorousness. Metal when is beaten, when is hammered, then it produces peculiar sound, ringing sound, that is called sonorous. That is called sonorous. You have also learned that metal is electropositive. Electropositive. Metal is an electropositive element. So these are the properties of metal. First, metal is solid. Second, metal is good conductor of heat and electricity. Third, metals are malleable. It can be beaten into thin sheet. Ductility, metal is ductile. It can be drawn into thin wire. Luster, it has a peculiar specific sign. Brightness, hardness, metal is hard, but some metal is soft, such as sodium, potassium. Tensile strength, it has a high tensile strength. And sonorous, it produces ringing sound. And melting and boiling point of the metal is very high, but cesium and gallium has low melting point, and density is also high. Reverse of this properties is physical properties of non-metal. You also non-metal, physical properties of non-metal. Physical state, non-metal exists in all three states: solid, liquid and gas. But only mercury, only bromine is a non-metal which exists in liquid state. Similarly, melting and boiling point of the non-metal is high. Non-metal is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Density of non-metal is low. High it has a low tensile strength. It has no peculiar sound. It is not sonorous. It is soft, but diamond is a hard. Diamond is a hard. That is the allotropes of the carbon. These are also come in the category of the non-metal. One non-metal, graphite. Graphite is a non-metal allotropes of carbon, but it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal is not luster, but iodine is a non-metal which is luster. So these are the physical properties of metal and non-metal. Next, you will learn about the chemical properties of metal and non-metal. Thank you.